Hi everybody, my name's Andrew with another awesome video for you, and you are going to learn the preferences of Filmora and the options in the preferences that make video editing a better experience, such as the general options, stuff to do with folders, editing, saves, performance, and so on. As always, let's get into it, guys. My preferences open in Filmora. You can open it by hitting a combination of 3 keys: Control, Shift, Comma. And I'm going to tell you what all these options change and do. First up, we are going to start with the General tab. This is where you change the language, appearance, and even the updates behavior. This box right here changes the obvious. And when you click on it, you'll see a list of languages like German, Spanish, and French. Down there's a box that allows you to change Filmora's entire appearance. If you like the light color theme, you can make it that way. But if you like the upset, you can change that too. If you want to be up to date with the latest of Filmora software, this option right here will help you keep in touch. You can get notified of an update if there is one every day, week, or month. But if you don't want to, you can just turn it off by changing it to never. And I usually stick to that. When you record your videos through Filmora or record a voiceover, there's a good chance you're wondering where all these files go. What if Filmora crashes or there's a blackout? Your laptop suddenly shuts down. Just those kind of disasters that get you so furious, and you need to import all these files again. Just click on this tab that reads folders, and that'll lead you to this page with directories and labels. So I'm teaching you about all these right now. At the top, there's temporary files, and this is where all your temporary files go, obviously. And below that, there's a recorded videos folder. No, this is not where your voiceovers go. Instead, they go in the folder after this option. The most common tool that I probably use is the snapshot tool, which takes a picture of the canvas and imports the pictures taken into your project. But all these pictures go into a folder named snapshot inside Filmora's documents. Although if you've stored your effects pack somewhere in your computer that has very little space left in it, then it's going to end up like this. That's not a good thing. And if you want to delete one of these effects packs to free up some disk space, you can do that in the very same folders tab. It's the very last option in the page, and you can manage the effects packs easily here. Just click the button that reads Manage and hand the effects packs. Now for the options, I'll change everything in video editing. Go to the tab Editing, and there'll be labels that have 2 options instead of 1. If you click on the number slider, you can change to how long you want. And we are talking sky high here, although there's another option to change. If you want it frames or seconds, you're free to change the unit yourself. Do you find it annoying when you have to press crop to fit all the time in the context menu? If so, the photo placement option can help you there, since 3 options reside in the select box: Fit, Crop to fit, or pan and zoom. Watch the demonstration of how the difference is. The next tab is by far the most important and personalized feature. It'll let you know where all your auto saves and backups go. If you have a low-end PC or computer, then you can go with the setting of auto saving per minute. Talking about performance, this tab might interest you. The first option is GPU acceleration. It's simple. If you've got a great graphic card that works on most applications, although the performance in Filmora isn't too good, and you're importing HD, 4K, or even 8K videos, you can this option to decrease the lag. I don't really have a great graphics card, but I'm good with that. On to the next option, preview render. Transitions, elements, or even effects can come pretty hard to your laptop, but this is no problem for me, and it won't be for you, because Filmora yet again is always there to help. Just press enter. You won't have to have a numpad. Although I have a keyboard that comes with one, you can just press the usual enter button anyway. But you can also clear the render cache by clicking this button here inside the preferences. Proxies are also the same like render preview, except it's for one media file. If a media clip in your project has a resolution higher than 1920 x 1080, you can create a proxy on your own like this. Or Filmora will create it automatically if you tick in this option and select a resolution for the software to identify. And if you import the same files in another project, Filmora won't have to create the proxy, but instead it'll take the media's cached proxy and embed the data in the media file itself. Although if you want to, you can clean the cache out. That's all for a tutorial on the preferences of Filmora. Please make sure to subscribe, smash the like button and turn the notification to be a part of the conversation at Infovids. Not only that, but also know what other great tutorials we are uploading to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next tutorials. Happy editing!